Hi, welcome to Elementary Music with Donna. I am Donna Rhodenizer. I am sitting in the beautiful outdoors and I am going to sing a song for you called Garden Symphony. How appropriate. I'm surrounded by flowers and nature, and you will hear some machinery in the background. I live in the Annapolis Valley of Nova Scotia, Canada, and we are an agricultural area, so there's somebody out and readying their fields for crops or doing whatever they do to be an agricultural center here in Nova Scotia. This is Garden Symphony. There are sounds all around. If you listen, you will hear them like the geese as they fly by. There are sounds to be heard from the crickets and the birds, from the ground up to the sky. All the sounds that belong all together in a song, in a perfect symphony. And if I stop and wait by my garden gate, there's a concert just for me. I have a chipmunk running around my feet. Oh dear. There are sights for your eyes. If you're looking, you will see them like the shining fireflies. There are sights to be seen, like the flowers by the stream and the clouds high in the sky. All the sights to behold, all together bright and bold, in a perfect symphony. And if I stop and wait by my garden gate, there is beauty there for me. And if I stop and wait by my garden gate, there are sounds and sights for me. Hi, little buddy. You here to sing with me? It's really cute until he runs over my feet. Then you're going to hear me squawk, but we'll see how that goes. So Garden Symphony is a great song to use with students in grades 2, 3, maybe grade 4, and students who are ages 10 and under. You can talk about legato phrases and breath energy that will help you get through those legato phrases. There are little spots where you can sneak a breath. You can talk about where you're going to do those little sneaks of breath to help that breath energy be enough for where you need it. This range is from D4 to D5, which is ideal for young vocal soloists and classroom singers. Not so great for me as an alto singer, but your students will find that a really great range in which to sing. There are some extension things you can do with Garden Symphony. If you want to do this when you're introducing the song or after the students have learned it, either one works. You can talk about different things that you can hear. For instance, let's stop for 5 seconds and see how many different sounds you can hear here in my backyard. I can hear machinery in the background. I can hear a couple of different birds in the vicinity. I just heard a car go by. So you can talk about the different sounds that are around you. Are they different when they're inside than when they're outside? Of course they are. And if you decide you want to create a soundscape, you can use those sounds or create the sounds that you want to surround you with sound and create a soundscape. You can also talk about the things that you can see. If you have flowers or sunshine or birds or different things that create beauty around you that create a symphony. So can you see a symphony? You might want to discuss some vocabulary around that. What are some words that we would use for art compared to some of the words that we would use to describe music? Garden Symphony is found at donnanandy.com. The download includes vocal score, piano score, printed lyrics, a few teaching strategy tips, kind of the things that I've talked about here in this video. You will also have access to 2 accompaniment tracks, one just with piano and one with a melody guide played instrumentally, so your students can hear how the melody of this song is supposed to go. Wherever you are, if you are outside listening or looking around you at a beautiful garden, or if you're inside enjoying some music, I hope you have a great day making music and make music a great part of your day.